Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we will do the unboxing and impression of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So here is the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with 256 gig of storage. So for this unit, I have got it yung violet, titanium violet. So mukha siyang hindi violet, pero yan siya. And before I start with my impression, so I would like to say thank you to Smart Infinity for providing this unit. So yon, if you have inquiries regarding Smart or Smart Infinity, I'll just have their links of their social media in the description box. So yeah. Okay, so impression for this phone, yeah, so before I'm using Galaxy S22 Ultra. So yeah, so I've shifted from that one to this unit after 2 years. So siguro first impression ko sa kanya, unang kita ko, actually nagustuhan ko talaga rito yung kulay niya. So ayan yung violet. So they have different color variants, but ito yung sa akin, na nagustuhan ko talaga yung color niya. It's not that formal, it's not that casual, nasa gitna lang siya, in short. So yon. And then also, ano pa ba impression ko for this phone? May napansin ko din sa kanya na comparing it with my S22 Ultra, it's much faster ng performance than my previous phone. So yeah, so basically dun sa specs upon checking it, no, medyo may konting gap between the 22 and 24 Ultra yung processor niya. So yun. And then with regards on camera, so ito hindi ko naman siya talaga hindi ko siya pansinin na kasi sa akin when you say megapixels, it's just more on the quality of the picture, you know. But then comparing it with S22, based on the specifications, S22 has 108 megapixels while this S24 Ultra has 200 megapixels. Yeah, so I've been using this phone for just a week. So hindi ko pa naman talaga siya nagagamit or na-explore mabuti with its functionality. But then since I've been using Samsung din naman for the past years, so it seems like almost the same pa rin naman in terms of its functionalities. Siguro yung features niya with regards specifically with yung photo editing. So before kasi sa S22, meron na rin siya yung object tool eraser, which is in case na meron kang not expected dun sa picture na na-capture mo. For example, pinipicturean mo yung moon, tapos may mga kable-kable. If you want to remove those electrical cables, so you could do it using the object eraser. While using the S22 Ultra, medyo hindi ka siya ka-seamless yung pag-remove ng unnecessary object na sa picture. So there are still some smudges na makikita mo na inedit, nabura siya, mga ganyan. But when I tried it here in S24, I noticed na medyo seamless siya than the previous version or previous model. Kasi may na-try din ako na picture, again yun din, cable line, kita siya. So when I remove that cable line, mukha pa rin siyang original. Titignan, hindi siya mukhang edited. Wala kang makikitang smudges dun sa picture. So I think yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. And even yung kanyang AI generation dun sa pag meron kang gustong i-select na picture, you want to move it from this place to another. So nagiging seamless din yung pag-capture niya or yung pag-move niya. So hindi mo mapapansin na itong object na to is walang marking na minove mo yung isang certain object. So yun. Ang isa lang siguro kung I could say a challenge for me is yung kanyang navigation bar. As we all know naman din, even with other models of the Samsung Galaxy or kahit yung mga before S21 pa. So we do have the navigation bar. If you will recall, we have 3 buttons sa navigation bar. We have the back, the home, and then if you want to open yung mga previous applications na binuksan mo and you want to close all of those applications. So meron ganong feature or function si Samsung Galaxy. So for me kasi, I want to maximize with the screen. So you're using 6.8 inches na screen. So with having that navigation bar, of course, may blocking ka with the phone itself or yung sa screen mo. So that's why I'm using yung parang mga lines lang sa kanya na yun yung nagiging navigation ko. So before kasi for S22, it has yung 3 lines. So ganun pa rin yung functionality niya. Depende kung ano yung setup mo yung left and right, no? But then, yung gitna, again, home button siya. Pag in-swipe up mo siya, so balik siya sa home. Yung nasa left naman, sa akin kasi, kapag nasa left, back. So, once in-swipe up mo siya, so yung back button. And then, yung nasa right side naman, ito naman yung pag-open ng mga applications na nakabukas sa'yo if you want to close all of them. Now, with this Samsung S24 Ultra, na lang siya, hindi siya 3. So, naging isa na lang siya. So, as you will notice here, so, ito na lang yung nasa baba niya, sa navigation niya. So, if you want to move back, so, wala ka na rito pipindutin, but instead dito ka pipindot. So, for example, I'm opening the Samsung Internet. So, if I want to back, so I need to swipe it dito. So, yan. So, nagiging previous page niya, kumbaga. So, yun. And then, if I want to close the applications, so I need to swipe this up until I could see yung mga open applications, and then I could close them all. So before kasi 3 yung nakalagay dito. So yun. Minsan nagiging challenge siya sa akin since there are some time na gusto ko i-close yung application or gusto ko mag-switch from one application to another. Anong nangyayari sa kanya? Nagiging home lang. So hindi ko siya natatagalan yung pag-up niya. So yun, so hindi siya compare before na mabilis ka lang mag-switch from one app to another. So ito, quite for me, quite challenging. I need to, kumbaga parang practice pa rin naman siya dapat, no? So yun. And so far, other than that kasi, yun lang naman yung nakikita kong a bit challenge for this S24. Other or the rest, as mentioned, is just the same as what we had dun sa mga previous models of the Samsung Galaxy. So yun. And also, na-notice ko lang din, no, so as mentioned earlier, I'm using I have this titanium violet, no, na variant or color variant. So, ewan ko, for those who already have their S24 Ultra with different colors, maybe you also notice, let me know, just comment down below yung ano yung experience nyo rito, no? But then, since I'm using violet na color, titanium, yung team niya rin is in violet. So, medyo kita ba? Hindi. So, screenshotan ko na lamang yung ano niya. Pero if you could notice yung number dito, maka-violet yung team. So, yun. I'm not sure if is it because of the color na kinuha ko or is it the default one na yun talaga yung kulay niya, you know, when you had this new phone. Again, it uses S Pen which is been there. So, yan. It uses S Pen, yung kanyang functionality. Is almost the same pa rin naman siya before. I haven't tried yung new feature niya with the AI. Siguro pag-aaralan ko pa rin yan. So yun. But then, yung S Pen naman, ano siya, maggamit na gamit siya, especially for those, of course, sa work, if you need to jot down notes na wala kang paper, you could use your phone. You could use the pen, baga, to write up yung mga notes mo without typing or anything. So yan, mabilisan. So yeah, so far naman happy naman ako with the new phone, with the S24. Is it worth it ba to upgrade from a previous model ni Samsung, especially from S21, S22, S23 Ultra to S24 Ultra? So for me, this is my personal note for that, kung worth it ba siya. If you are using S21 or S22 Ultra, I could say, siguro, yes, it's okay to upgrade to S24. Having said that, there's an upgrade with regards of the processor, also with the camera, with the megapixels, so yan. So, yung mga technicalities, kumbaga, tumaas siya, basically. But, of course, if your S21 and S22 nag-work pa rin naman siya, wala ka pa naman na experience na, crashing or anything. Kasi sa ngayon naman, well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using S22. It's still upgradable. Yung kanyang OpenUI, or not OpenUI, but yung operating system ni yung One UI operating system. So, it's still updatable or upgradable to the latest version. So, meaning, yung kung ano man yung mga features or functionalities, then some of it can be applied to your phone, kumbaga. But if you are using an S23 Ultra, upgrading to S24 Ultra, I could say no, it's not worth it. Why? Because in terms of the specifications, they're almost the same. There's a super little gap between the two, especially with the performance. So if you will check on the specification for your S23 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra, it's around 0.03 GHz. And that 0.03, hindi siya ganun kalaki na upgrade, in short. Of course, there are some functions, hardwares, upgrade ng numbers. So, from Bluetooth 1, 2, 3. So, ganyan siya ngayon. But still, functionality, yun pa rin yun. Same Bluetooth technology. Right now, I'm using Galaxy Watch 4. It still works with the S24 Ultra, so that's good, of course. Yeah, so I think that would be it for my impression. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell button for the new contents uploaded in my channel. And yeah, and thank you again. So until next time, bye.